Hey, future doctors, Dr. Alpha Hero here, back again to help you conquer the mountains of medical knowledge. We all know med school is a marathon, not a sprint, and sometimes it feels like you're drowning in information overload. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if you could study smarter, not harder, and actually remember what you learned? That's what we're diving into today, folks. We're breaking down the top 5 study techniques every medical student needs to know. Active recall, spaced repetition, the Feynman Technique, blurting, and mind mapping. These aren't just fancy buzzwords, guys. These are game changers. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's revolutionize your study game together. First up, we have the MVP of study techniques, active recall. This technique is all about actively retrieving information from your memory. And trust me, it's way more effective than passively rereading your notes. Think of it like hitting the gym for your brain. The more you challenge yourself to remember, the stronger those neural connections become. You can do this by writing down everything you remember, teaching it to an imaginary friend, or using flashcards. The key is to force your brain to work for that information. Embrace the struggle, embrace the mistakes, and watch active recall. Transform your study sessions from passive to powerful. Next up, we have spaced repetition, a technique so powerful it should come with a warning label. Caution, may lead to significantly improved long-term memory. Here's the deal. Our brains are hardwired to forget things. Spaced repetition is all about strategically reviewing information at increasing intervals. Think of it like giving your brain a friendly reminder, just when it's about to forget something important. This could mean reviewing material again a few hours after learning it, then again the next day, then a few days later, and so on. The beauty of spaced repetition is that it forces your brain to work harder to retrieve the information, which makes it stick like glue in your long-term memory. So, ditch the cramming sessions and embrace the power of spaced repetition. Now let's talk about the Feynman Technique, named after the brilliant physicist Richard Feynman. This technique is all about simplifying complex concepts and making them crystal clear. It's based on the idea that if you can't explain something simply, you don't truly understand it. Here's how it works. Imagine you have to teach the concept to a child or someone with no prior knowledge. Write down everything you know about the topic as if you were explaining it to them. As you're explaining, identify any gaps in your knowledge or areas where you struggle to articulate the concept clearly. The Feynman technique is a game changer, especially for medical students dealing with intricate subjects. Ever get into an exam and completely blank? We've all been there. That's where blurting comes in, your secret weapon against exam stress. This technique is all about practicing information retrieval under pressure, so you're less likely to freeze when the stakes are high. After studying a topic, grab a blank sheet of paper and blurt out everything you remember about it. Highlight anything you missed or got wrong, and focus your review efforts on those areas. Blurting is a fantastic way to build confidence, reduce exam anxiety, and ensure that you can access the information you need when it matters most. Last but not least, we have mind mapping, a visual learning technique that can help you organize your thoughts, connect ideas, and see the bigger picture more clearly. It's like creating a roadmap for your brain. Here's how it works. Start with a central idea or topic and write it down in the center of a blank page. Then, branch out with related concepts, keywords, or images. Use different colors, shapes, and sizes to make your mind map visually appealing and memorable. The beauty of mind mapping is that it allows you to see the relationships between different concepts and how they all fit together seamlessly. So, ditch the linear note-taking and unleash your creativity with mind mapping today. And there you have it, future doctors, the top 5 study techniques to revolutionize your med school journey. Remember, success in medical school isn't about brute force memorization. It's about working smarter, not harder. Here are some practical examples. For active recall, try using flashcards or teaching a friend. For spaced repetition, use apps like Anki. For the Feynman technique, explain a concept to a child. For blurting, write down everything you remember on a blank sheet. For mind mapping, create a visual map of your study material. If you want a detailed video on each technique, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this with your fellow students to help them succeed too. Join the Dr. Alpha Hero community for more med school survival tips.